Hi, today we got the PRB02 Let's Go. I'm super excited. So we're gonna split it into two parts. Buddy, Tashigi. So what I love about PRBs is that in every pack you have a hit, and that's super amazing. So if you open a pack, it's like no matter what, you won't be disappointed. Oh, nice Luffy card. Shanks! It's so fast, I'm sorry. I don't like the videos to be so long, so it's super fast. Pudding! Laboon! Oh, the backstory with Laboon. Ooh, nice stone card with Shanks. Cute. Ooh, crocodile. Last pet magic. Oh, Zabo. Oh, I see something. Nice, an alt art. I love all the alt cards. You know what I mean. Oh my god, I love the texture of this one. That's a really nice card. And the fight was amazing. Bye!